watch out. Every brother that's caught in the crossfire.
What's up, guys? We're doing a vlog today. We doing a vlog. The vlog. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be nice, you know. We gonna be riding around town, probably trying to scare people, cause you know we little rat kids. Oh!
Hey, who's Kenzie Morg?
Kenzie Morg?
Yeah.
That's the girl.
What girl?
That's the girl with all the subscribers. Not just playing, but she's my girlfriend's sister's friend.
She said this is lit on our video. Shout out to you.
Oh my gosh.
Kenzie
Thank
Morg.
you so much.
Shout out.
Yes. What are these people doing? Hello? What's happening? Oh, are they waiting on me? That's awkward. Dude, I literally felt like time just froze right there.
Oh.
Like everyone was stopped. I was like, what's going on? Now they're moving. I guess that was my fault. Yeah. Yo. Yeah, stay tuned. We finna start scaring people. They honk at people. It's gonna be scary. Yeah. All right, here we go.
Wait, are we doing it right now?
Yeah, I think so. This is scary. Cheek on the right, on the bench.
Oh my god! Dude, I'm dead. There's a car following us.
We already messed up. She's raising her hands at us. Oh gosh.
Why is she so close?
No, it's a dead end. It's a dead end.
It's not a dead end. Dude, stop. She's she just cut her asses off. Our next victim. Dude, I can't record that. Dude, why did you stay for so long? You stayed still for so long.
Funny. Oh. I'm sorry, guys. We're trying our hardest. Bro, that was perfect. Alright, guys. Now we're finna go to the park. See if we can scare some more
so
people.
fun.
Bro, it's honestly scary though, like. But yeah, we're about to go scare some people at the park, maybe. I mean, I wouldn't expect people to be at the park, you know, because it's like about 120 degrees and it's Arizona. Parks aren't a thing here, but yeah. Stay tuned.
Update. There's no one at the park.
Yep, like I said.
We're still searching now. Where are we gonna go?
Oh shit. I don't know.
We honestly have nothing to do. We're just
Ditch in Old's house.
down. He's not even at home though.
Yeah, that's the thing. Look, wait, hold up. Hey, that's the thing.
Ah!
Oh, alright. Should we go into a store, guys? We should go into a store. I think we should go into a store.
Sure.
Yep, we're going into the store.
I'm still recording. Ah, wait, what store are we going to?
We are gonna go to, I think, Sprouts. Or we can do Kohl's, actually.
We're not doing those.
No, we're doing Kohl's. We're doing Kohl's. We doing Kohl's. That's a fire Kohl's.
All right, well, we'll see you guys when we're in the Kohl's. Deuce it.
Ah!
I'm screaming.
Hey! Hey! Is that Mr. Dillard?
Mr. Dillard.
That's Mr. Dillard.
Mr. Dillard.
That's Mr. Dillard.
Who's Mr.
My
Dillard?
agriculture teacher.
You're lying.
Oh, I think
Is that really him?
Yes. Oh my god, I can't.
Dude, go. Go back to Mr. Dillard.
No, I'm not going to Mr. Dillard.
Why?
He'll make me feed a pig or something. Ah! He ain't feed no pig.
That's awkward.
He knows that I have a star on the back of my truck.
Are you serious?
That's Mr. Dillard. That's Mr. Dillard. That's Mr. Dillard. That's Mr. Dillard.
Backflip.
You gonna do a backflip?
Yeah.
Well, we're walking into Coles right now, guys. So, check it. Oh gosh, there's a guy staring at us. He knows. He knows. He knows.
Oh, come on, let's do a backflip. I've never done a backflip on concrete. I'm scared.
Never.
Okay, screw that.
Never mind. We're screwing that.
I've never done one on concrete.
He said get some footage. Literally. Footage. Ooh, bro, that would go good with that flip.
Like low key.
No, seriously, like those are actually.
I might have to cut 25, easy money. So I'm copping.
All right, let's do it. Bro, get some clothes on.
Are you going? You going?
Yes.
We live in Coles.
We're leaving Coles, guys. This was really boring.
Tried to make it fun, but didn't work.
But it's okay, cause we're about to do some cool stuff at the grocery store. Don't worry.
The grocery. But until we get there, deuces.
I'm just gonna honk at someone and wave at them.
Alright. Okay. Scroll. What'd you say? What'd you do? What'd she do?
Oh my god!
What did she do?
She just like looked at me. She's like, "Who is this? Who is this?" Well, I like those movies. What a nasty car! I'm just like,
Hey, do this, baby.
who's it? No, I can't.
Hey, oh, you're supposed to. Do it.
Hey, baby. That mom turned around. I was like, heck no, boy. I don't think we were raping people. You love me, but you don't know who. Bro, the car accident right here. She's coming, dude. She's coming. She's coming.
Yeah, I don't care. What's happening? Oh.
He had a tattoo. He had a tattoo. I think everyone like waves at first because I'm waving back, and then they see you recording them. They're like, oh, we gotta find someone, bro. Where are you going? What are you doing? Oh, she was like, oh, I know you. No, you don't. Oh, she's waving like I was her freaking neighbor or something.
You just went right past the stop sign.
That wasn't a stop sign.
What was it?
That was was a yield sign.
Wait.
Yeah,
It was a yield sign.
Alright guys, well, that's going to be the end of the video. Really hope you enjoyed. Tried to be funny. And yeah, that was the outcome. So, where are my sister's room, by the way? So they don't, you know. But, yeah, leave some comments. You know, be like, oh, hey, I'd like to see you guys make this video. I'd like to do that, you know, stuff like that. Like, subscribe, be a homie. Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, have a great day or night, whatever you're